Hey, this is Carlos. I'm the founder and CEO of Product School, and I look forward to chatting with all of you very soon at the Product Development Days Virtual Summit. I'll be chatting about the future of product leadership. This is a report that we put together from Product School very recently, where we surveyed over 1,000 product leaders from all over the world to try to understand where the biggest opportunities are for all of us in terms of industries that are growing fast, skills that are in demand these days, and other small details that anyone who's in product these days should care about. So either if you're an aspiring PM trying to get that first product management job, or an existing product manager who's trying to get that next promotion, this is going to be definitely relevant for you. Bottom line, I believe there's never been a better time for us to build digital products. Stores are closed and people are online. And this doesn't apply just to high-tech companies in Silicon Valley. This is a trend that applies across the industry, across the world, because if your company has more than one employee, chances are they're probably using some sort of software to collaborate more efficiently. And of course, they're probably using more technology to showcase their products or services, deliver them, sell to customers. So everything is a product these days. And it's very, very important to develop the skills required to be in the middle and coordinate efforts between engineers, designers, and marketers. So look forward to discussing all of that in detail with all of you very soon. Hope you can join me soon. Bye.